Honestly, OfferLab has ruined my business. Do not sign up. You can collaborate and earn money with just a few clicks. Because of OfferLab, people are selling my stuff online for me.
I used to bond with other entrepreneurs complaining about how hard business was.
But now when I try to complain, everyone just stares at me like, poor you, Miss Passive Income.
I can't stand it. My bank keeps calling me saying,
Ma'am, we don't have room in the vault for all your cash.
I have to drive to multiple banks so I can store my cash I've been earning online. It's so inconvenient.
And if you don't even have an offer of your own, you can easily sell other people's products with OfferLab within seconds.
Great job, OfferLab. Perfect way to raise an entire generation of lazy entrepreneurs. And the worst part about OfferLab, it's free to sign up. Free. This could have been my story, risking it all, selling every last thing I own to chase success. But no, OfferLab had to make it free to sign up. There goes my rags to riches story. Listen, just don't sign up for OfferLab unless you want the problems that I have. I just had to buy a new garage just to park all my luxury cars from all my success. Thanks for nothing, OfferLab. You've ruined my life. Whatever you do, don't click that link.